pretty girl you thought. She's selling the ass on the cone. Whoa, shit, you don't know which way to go. I switch, it got a bad flow. These niggas don't even know. Straight from Fresno, I'm here wearing my fresh clothes. Got your bitch with me, she sitting right next to me. Can't you see her? She smiling. She like to get wild with me.
Neta, bro.
Feel that one or what? I know when you feel it, you're like,
Goes, huh? Did I ever show you the song that I made for my chick, bro?
yes. You tell me like 4 times, like, this motherfucker.
Hustle and Grind. What about that one? I showed you that one?
I don't think so.
Alright, check it out.
Yo, check it. I'm only 18, but I'm getting in the shit. About to tear it up. No, we don't play as a team. My circle, we gonna win. Yeah, we gonna win. Fuck all the fiends, we feed them. Then we get our paper. Feed our family so we get everything we want. The luxury is what we want. Silk pajamas when we go to sleep is what we dream of. Wait, I gotta slow it back down, then I can speed it right back up. When you step back, you better step up to me. I don't give a fuck, I will put you down to the dirt. I am from these streets, putting in work every day. Can't you see me rolling with money in my pocket, or at least I light a rock in my sock. Whatever way you gotta know your bitch is popping, locking, dropping it for that rock, putting it in the fucking Vega and cracking it back. She liking it when I crack it back. Her ass, she be cracking back. Then I be doing lines off her ass crack. Yeah, I'm kinda crazy when I get up on the shit. You might wanna call the ambulance or some shit. There's a virus going off, and it's contagious. That was gay.
Getting pretty motherfucking crazy. This nigga flowing, going, yeah, cause we hustle and grind all the time. We gotta fucking shine and we gotta collect our cash, money, pussy over bitches. I don't give a fuck cause I'm still doing my motherfucking thing. With this nigga over here who be acting kinda stupid and shit, but I could really give a fuck cause we about to go smoke some more motherfucking Shaw Daisies in this motherfucking bus over here. Driving by full of kids and shit, but this little world that we living in be corrupted in the gangs and the government be running it,
Yeah, and we, okay, let us settle down a little bit, but I still feel it in your veins,
Stick to the brain.
yeah, whoa, yeah, yo. My lyrics is like a drug when you insert it into the syringe. Oh wait, I lost it. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Change it. Ooh.
What that one? I got some more back here.
I like this one. Done. Yeah.
Your mind racing and your heart beating so fast. You don't know what's going on next. In the back room where they're smoking it up, and you don't give a fuck.
I got
You're
this
lost
one.
in your brain.
Yeah. You ain't seen devil until you seen your mama cry. Your daddy beating her to death. Why she crying? You saying to your mama why she crying? I don't know why. All I wanna do is die. And I was only 6 years old. When I listen to this music, it makes me wanna feel like I'm 60 years old. When I get on the shit, I straight kill it. They call me quitting, but I'm never quitting. When I get in the shit, I'm straight strapped, never going left, I'm always going right. I ain't fucking with no raps, going strap. Yo, check this, I go checkmate. When you going left, I'm going right. You best believe, mate. No, I ain't your mate. You ain't on my ship. My ship is going to the top. Family racing a lot. Straight getting the paper. It's all we fiending for is that fucking paper. My fingers itching for that paper. I'm gonna go out and kill some motherfuckers for some paper. What you gonna do? Pass it to my niggas. We gon' get loped out. And what you gonna do? Pass it to my niggas. We gon' get loped out. So what you gonna do?
Tell me what you gonna do when I make my money legally. Cause these motherfucking pigs who be hiding in the bushes outside looking in, trying to kick down my motherfucking broke dope. And that ain't no motherfucking joke. Cause I'm on my paper chase, but I gotta do it the illegal way. And I don't give a fuck, no. Cause I'm paper chasing and I'm making it to the top. These niggas gon' drop.
Yeah. Oh shit. Drop. Yeah.
On 10 cent beat.